Thank you, teachers. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, parents. I want to start this day with a small mantra. Vakratund Mahakay Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kurmedev Sarvakareshu Sarvada Sarvakareshu Sarvada. कार्यों में विघ्न तो आएगा पर उसको करते जाएं बिना विघ्न के, तो इसलिए भगवान गणेश जी को याद करना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. गुड मॉर्निंग एंड नमस्कार टू एवरीवन. टुडे इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डे and most awaited day because our teachers, parents and our dear students waits for this day, and the day is annual day. Today I welcome you all present here on this very special occasion. This gives me immense happiness to welcome you all. I thank everyone present here for joining us to celebrate this day with us. The teachers share their valuable knowledge with students and they absorb that knowledge and develop in the best of the way. And all the parents who help the students develop through it all. Our school holds many activities and competitions also to develop students holistically. Now, I would like to share some examples of these activities where our students perform very well. I am very proud to announce that our school has touched state level. So a big round of applause. Our students, they have achieved position in Urdu competition at state level, which is the highest competition level of Delhi. Now, we have added further awards in our for example, for SOF competition, Pratyush class 5 and Ekanshi class 4 in GK and Himani class 6 secured a proud position by winning gold medal in English and as well as cash prizes. Please give a big round of applause. Some of our students, including junior as well as senior, took part in English essay writing competition held by Tata. Amongst junior, all three students of class 4 secured top 3 position: Anushka Kumari, Behjabi, Mohammad Sajid. And among senior, Riya Singh, class 9, secured first position, and Pragya Dikshit, Yakshika of class 10 secured second position and third position respectively. Please give a big round of applause to our students. Many students presented their creativity through Nukkad Natak that was held in SGT University. Now we are associating with many more prestigious universities, and SGT University is one of them. Participation of many students was observed in Technophilia competition held at Mamta Modern School, in which Riya and Ananya of class 9 both were impressed enough to take away first position, and Mohin of class 8 held second position. Congratulations to the winners. In DOE, which is most prestigious competition, the DOE holds every year. Abdullah, again I am repeating because this is an immense moment of pride. Abdullah of class 7th represented us on state level and achieved third position. Congratulations to my dear students. Now, without sports, 360-degree development is incomplete. Our achievements in sports are no less than other than academics and innovation achievements. Bunty of class 12 got third position under 19 girl discus throw at zonal level. Please give a big round of applause. Again, Kanishka of class 10 held first position under 17 girls shot put at zonal level. Aditya Sharma, class 9, secured second position in under 17 boys long jump at zonal level, which is again a commendable performance. Anuradha of class 2 got second position in 80-meter race in zonal primary meet. Congratulations, and please give again a big round of applause बिकॉज तालियों से ये बच्चे एनकरेज होते हैं। तो आप सभी से निवेदन है, इन बच्चों के लिए तालियां ज़रूर बजाएं। Our student also showed great enthusiasm in Bharat Khelo Utthan Trust National Karate Tournament. Our karate champions are Ayush Dubey of class 9th with silver medal, Mannat class 7th with silver medal, and Somendra class 4th with gold medal. These three are also our best martial and art students. Congratulations to all of you and to my teachers as well. Other than external competition, we also try to shape our students in their best version within the premises by giving them ample opportunities and suitable environment to grow. Picnic for regular entertainment and recreational development of our students. We take them to the educational trip, historical trip, where they enjoy and learn as well. Sports Day. Recently we have celebrated Sports Day, which is another occasion for our students to show their skills and grow. Students are always excited to participate in game. We also provide learning space through reading classes, writing classes, extempore. This year I would like to inform you all that we have recently created a club, JPSC Center of Excellence. JPSC Center of Excellence के अंडर हमने जो छोटे यंग बडिंग राइटर्स हैं, हमारे कुछ बच्चों ने बुक्स लिखी हैं, तो they will be coming soon on the stage. So congratulations to all. And इसमें सिर्फ हमारे स्कूल के ही बच्चे नहीं, सभी स्कूलों के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। ये JP सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस सभी के लिए खुले दिल से स्वागत करता है। तो बच्चे आएँ, इसमें अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाएं, एंड we are having good association with other partners as well. वो आते हैं, बच्चों को प्रमोट करते हैं। Now, while concluding the speech, I want to mention that credit of all these achievements and success goes to all hard-working school staff and very supportive parents, our talented students, and also none other than our late chairman, sir, and his contribution will always be unforgettable. Thank you, all of you, for joining us today. And last but not least, I always finish by saying these two lines. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक हो जिनको छत पर जाना है, जिन्हें छूना है आसमां, उन्हें अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है, खुद बनाना है। थैंक यू पेरेंट्स, थैंक यू। आई रिक्वेस्ट टीचर्स, जो पीछे बच्चे हैं प्लीज़ उनको बिठाएं। नितिन सर प्लीज़ पे अटेंशन।